In this video, you'll learn how to update the system software on your Pixel 4a. This process ensures your device has the latest features and security enhancements available. Start by locating and opening the Settings app on your Pixel 4a. You can find the Settings app in your app drawer, represented by a gear icon. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and select the option labeled System. This section contains various system-related settings. After entering the System menu, tap on System Update. Your device will now connect to Google's servers to check for any available software updates. It is advisable to ensure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network at this point, as updates can be large and may consume significant mobile data. A connection to Wi-Fi will also allow for faster download speeds. If an update is available, you will see a prompt with details about the update. Tap the download button to begin the download process. It is crucial to wait for the file to download completely without interruptions. During this time, ensure that your Pixel 4a has sufficient battery life. If the battery is low, connect your device to a charger to prevent any potential issues during the update. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking you to install the update. Tap the Install button to initiate the installation process. Your device will automatically restart at this point. It is important not to turn off your phone during this installation phase, as interrupting the process could lead to software issues. After the installation is finished, your Pixel 4a will boot up normally. You should now see that your device is updated with the latest system software. Regular checking for updates helps maintain your device's performance and security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.